A $200,000 Ferrari depreciates faster than a used Honda, and that's the cheapest part of the problem. The sticker price is a lie. Everyone walks into a dealership thinking they understand the cost of ownership. They don't. The moment a luxury car leaves the lot, it's hemorrhaging value at a rate that would bankrupt a normal asset. A Mercedes-Benz S-Class loses roughly 50% of its purchase price within 5 years. But here's what nobody talks about. That's just the opening act. The real machinery of wealth extraction begins the moment you own it. So what's driving the depreciation? Supply and demand, but inverted. Luxury manufacturers deliberately restrict production. Rarity creates desire. But here's the incentive nobody names. Depreciation benefits the dealer and the finance company, not you. They sold you a depreciating asset at full price, locked you into a loan, and now they're watching it crater. Your loss is baked into their profit margin from day one. Then comes insurance. A standard sedan might run $1,200 a year. A Bentley, you're looking at $5,000 to $8,000 annually, sometimes more. Why? Replacement parts don't come from a warehouse, they're custom ordered from the manufacturer. A single headlight assembly for a high-end Porsche can cost $4,000. Insurance companies know this, they price accordingly. You're not insuring transportation, you're insuring a bespoke supply chain. And then there's customization, the trap that masquerades as exclusivity. A buyer orders a Rolls-Royce with hand-stitched leather, a bespoke paint color, custom wheel designs. Each modification adds $10,000 to $50,000 or more. The manufacturer loves this. The buyer thinks they're creating something unique. What they're actually doing is creating something unmarketable. When resale time comes, that custom interior, it's now a liability. You paid for exclusivity, the market punishes you for it. Maintenance compounds everything. Luxury cars require specialized service. You can't take a Ferrari to a chain shop. You drive it to the authorized dealer, where labor costs $250 to $400 per hour. A routine service on a high-performance vehicle runs $2,000 to $5,000. Do that twice a year for 5 years, and you've spent $20,000 to $50,000 on maintenance alone, on top of depreciation and insurance. Here's what manufacturers understand that owners don't. They're not selling cars. They're selling a depreciating financial instrument wrapped in leather and chrome. The real profit lies in financing, insurance, parts, and service. The car itself is just the hook. Everyone involved in this ecosystem, dealer, lender, insurer, manufacturer, has been paid to see this clearly. The buyer is the only one surprised when the numbers don't work. So the question isn't whether you can afford a luxury car, it's whether you understand what you're actually buying and what it costs to keep it. The sticker price is just the down payment on a much larger bill. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Subscribe for weekly breakdowns of how wealth really moves, where fortunes are built and why they vanish. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research.